Air raid alert has been sounded in a lot of cities of Ukraine, and residents have been requested to go into their nearest shelter and protect them. Russian forces intensified the attacks on the Ukrainian cities on the seventh day of its attack, and it seems on the eighth day they have plans to attack even the smallest cities of Ukraine. Many people have died in the war, and Russia too has suffered lots of forces. Many Russian military personnel have died in the war. As Ukrainians have died, so have Russian soldiers laid their life, yet we cannot see an end to the war. And as the war is progressing from day 1 to day 8, now as we enter the 8th day, more and more cities are now coming under attack in Ukraine. Stay updated with me for more news and updates. Thank you.